Cameron bringt mode a bold fashion statement this weekend at Sophie Stadium. The Los Angeles Sparks star Pirate belted wie de legpants with a matching bra top. Dra met a denim jacket over haar shoulders. Anfinnes het te look with the pimps and a stylish bleeperse. Fans kyk lei pryse het haar strikking outfit on social media. Bring attended by all-star events, doing interviews and sharing insights about her journey. Ze also hegligted haar partnership with the Sophie voor de 50ste anniversary of de Ishoa trouwge te gee vir haar creditcampagne, advocating voor financieel independence voor female atletes. At just 24, Brink is making a powerful comeback after injuries, including dinking for the first time since haar 2024 atletjaar. Haar style, confidence, and atlete drive continue to inspire fans everywhere.